Hi guys, welcome back. Samsung this week provided reviewers with Galaxy Fold devices for some hands-on time, and it appears the folding smartphone may be suffering from some serious flaws. 3 of the reviewers who received the Galaxy Fold have already experienced failures, all of which focus on the display. The Verge's Dieter Bone says that his Galaxy Fold device broke after a random bulge appeared on the display, perhaps from a piece of debris that had gotten into the hinge. The debris, or whatever the bulge was, pressed into the display hard enough to break it. Bone says that he did not mistreat the phone, doing normal phone stuff like putting it in a pocket and opening and closing the hinge. Similarly, CNBC's Steve Kovac shared a video of his review unit displaying a flickering, failing screen after just a single day of use. In Gurman's case, he says that there was a protective layer on the screen that is not supposed to be removed, but this was not communicated to him. He took it off, which may have contributed to the problem. Well-known YouTuber Marks Brownlee says that he did the same thing, because there was no warning in the box. Not all of the reviewers with broken units removed the plastic film, however, so there are clearly multiple issues impacting the Galaxy Fold. Samsung's Galaxy Fold costs a whopping $1,980, which is a sensationally high price even for a device that works. Right now, Samsung is accepting pre-orders for the Galaxy Fold on carrier sites, and the first retail units are expected to be available to customers on April 26th. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.